This tutorial discusses how to view and use the CAD report to see dimension results on a CAD model representation of the physical part inside Metrology Reporting. The CAD report provides a CAD view that complements the existing sample report. This view adds visual context to the dimension results, allowing us to see associated features on the part model. To use the CAD report, we need to first opt in to send some additional data to Metrology Reporting. We can do this through the SFX desktop on the settings screen. If we want the part model to be visualized, we need to mark the Send CAD to the Cloud checkbox. This converts and sends a .glb representation of the part to the cloud. This is a standardized file format that allows the sharing of 3D data. The native CAD model is not transferred. To visualize the measured features on the part, we need mark the Send Feature Results to the Cloud checkbox. This sends a parameterized description of the feature geometry that Metrology Reporting then overlays on top of the CAD model. If we don't want to send the CAD data and don't need the part model to be drawn, we can choose to only send the feature data. In this case, the features are drawn inside the CAD view, but no CAD model is sent. To enable the transmission of CAD data, we must also be using a supported version of PCD-MIS, as detailed in the System Requirements section of the Metrology Reporting help file. Once our settings are configured and updated, we are ready to go. Any CAD models and features in PCD-MIS measurement programs are then converted and transferred to Metrology Reporting during program execution, allowing the CAD report to show the CAD model. By default, we can automatically access the CAD report when we click on a part tile from the dashboard. Or if we are in the sample report or some other view, we can get back to the CAD report by clicking on the View CAD Report icon from the toolbar in the Part Details view. To highlight areas that are out of tolerance or to show features in a warning state, the software draws the CAD model with colored features overlaid on top. Red indicates out of tolerance dimensions. Orange indicates dimensions in a warning state. Green indicates intolerance dimensions. Dimensions are displayed in the list on the left, and we can change the filter to show only the out of tolerance and/or the warning dimensions. When we click a dimension, the view zooms to the feature or features that are associated with that dimension. A small icon shows the name of the underlying features. In addition, we can manipulate the view with the mouse, such as rotation and panning. We can also use the toolbar icons to change the orientation or draw styles. We can also filter the dimension list by typing a dimension name to look for a specific characteristic or dimension axis. Only dimensions currently listed are visualized on the CAD, so through the filters you can control exactly what you want to see. Each dimension has associated charts that we can also view and enlarge, such as trend, histogram, and bar whisker charts. All standard PCD-MIS geometric feature types are supported, such as points, lines, planes, circles, slots, spheres, cones, and cylinders. More advanced features will be added in the future. We hope you enjoy using the CAD report. Please be sure to visit the Idea Center to tell us what else you'd like to see added in the future.